Hey, if you're watching this, there's something I already know about you. You're done waiting around. You want to actually do something with your money. Not talk about it, not think about it, actually do it. And here's the thing that nobody tells you. Making your first $1,000, it's not actually about being smart. It's not about being lucky. It's about understanding 3 simple things that literally anyone can do. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to start, what to expect, and how to reach that first big milestone. And I'm not going to lie to you with some get-rich-quick nonsense. This is real, this is actionable, and it starts today. Why your first $1,000 matters. Let me be straight with you. $1,000 might not sound like much when you hear celebrities and influencers talking about 6-figure launches, but let me tell you what $1,000 actually is. It's proof. It's proof that you can make money outside your regular paycheck. It's proof that you have a skill worth paying for. It's proof that you're not just thinking about change, you're actually creating it. That first 1,000 is like breaking the sound barrier. Once you do it, everything shifts mentally. Suddenly, you're not wondering, can I do this anymore? You know you can, and that changes everything else that comes after. I've talked to people who made their first $1,000 and went on to make $100,000, and you know what they all said? That first milestone was the turning point. It's when they stopped being afraid and started being confident. So we're not chasing this number because it's glamorous. We're chasing it because it's real. It's achievable in a realistic time frame, and it's going to unlock something inside you. Okay, so here are 3 realistic ways to hit $1,000. And here's what's important. You don't need all 3. You probably just need 1, maybe 2. Path 1, sell your skills. This is the fastest path for most people. You've got something valuable. Maybe it's writing. Maybe it's graphic design. Maybe it's social media management. Maybe it's tutoring. Maybe it's just being organized and helping someone get their life together. The reality is, businesses and individuals will pay for skills they don't have. The question isn't, do I have a skill? The question is, am I willing to sell it? Set a realistic rate. If you're just starting, you're not charging $500 per project, but $50, $75, $100? That's completely reasonable for genuine work. Do 15 jobs at $75 each and you're at over $1,000. That's doable in a couple of months if you're serious about it. Where do you find clients? Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, your local community, LinkedIn. Start with people who already know you. Tell them what you're offering. You'll be shocked at who actually says yes. Path 2, resell or flip. This one sounds fancy, but it's simple. Buy something cheap, sell it for more. Maybe you buy used items at thrift stores and resell them online. Maybe you find overstock deals and flip them. Maybe you buy broken electronics, fix them, and resell them. The margins aren't insane, but they're real. 100 items at a $10 profit each gets you to $1,000, and that's conservative. Some people do it faster because they find better deals or items with better margins. The learning curve is gentler than you think. You're not making a fancy business plan, you're just understanding what people want, finding it cheap, and moving it for profit. Path 3, create and monetize. This is the long-term play. You create content, YouTube videos, blog posts, Instagram content, TikToks, whatever, and you make money from it through ads, sponsorships, or sales. Here's the honest part. This usually takes longer than the other 2. You need to build an audience first, but once you do, the money keeps flowing. For $1,000, you might need 50,000 YouTube subscribers or 100,000 TikTok followers. But here's what matters. Every single creator you know started at 0. Every one of them. They just started making content they cared about and kept going. The truth about obstacles. I'm going to tell you the 3 things that will try to stop you, and I want you to know what they are before you hit them, because you will hit them. First, self-doubt. That little voice saying, am I good enough? Will anyone actually buy this? Listen, that voice doesn't matter. Someone worse than you is making money right now. Someone more talented than you is broke right now. It's not about being perfect. It's about starting. Second, your first no. Not everyone will buy. Not every pitch will land. That's not a reflection of you. It's just math. If 10% of people say yes, you need to reach more people. That's it. Third, comparing yourself to people who are 5 years ahead. You'll see someone who made 5 figures in their first month and think you're doing it wrong. You're not. That person probably had advantages you don't know about. Your journey is your journey. None of these obstacles are actually stop signs. They're just the path. Everyone who's made money has walked through all three. Your actual game plan. Here's what you do this week. Day 1. Decide which path resonates with you. Just one. Don't overthink it. Days 2 and 3, do your research. Look at other people doing what you want to do. Notice how much they charge. Notice how they talk about their work. Notice what people are actually willing to pay for. Days 4 and 5, create your offer or your first product. It doesn't need to be perfect. Perfectionism is the enemy of starting. Days 6 and 7, tell people, show them, offer it, ask for the sale. This is where most people quit, but this is where the magic happens. And here's the most important part. You're going to feel uncomfortable. That's normal. That's good. That means you're growing. Your first $1,000 isn't about getting rich. It's about proving something to yourself. It's about taking what's in your head, the ideas, the skills, the energy, and turning it into something real, something tangible, something that proves you can do hard things. That changes you, not just your bank account, you. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for more confidence. Stop waiting for someone to give you permission. This is your permission. This is the moment. The only question is, are you going to take it? If you found this helpful, I'd love it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe. Are you interested in learning more about personal finance and building better money habits? Click on this video and watch it to discover helpful tips that can improve your financial future.